Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at XAUUSD.com. First, welcome to the video. So, start off another trading week, the second trading week in July, and this video is going to be your weekly free trade setup, and we will get into it in a minute. So, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button now. If you want to also join the free Telegram group, if you're watching this on the website here, just go to the top left hand corner and you'll be able to join the free Telegram group where I do post this free signal in each week. Okay, so let's get over to the charts. This week's free trade setup is on the Australian dollar CAD. Okay, and it's coming right into a nice higher time frame area on the monthly and weekly charts. Okay, and we're going to go into this actual trade setup now. You can see we've got this monthly area here from last year, and the market has been rallying pretty hard into that, which is a good sign. If we go to the weekly, step down, it still has a possibility to rise a little bit further. We have this starting at the actual leg down here. Still trying to get used to using this new touchscreen computer. Okay, so still has a little bit of, it could come up a little bit further, and if you look at the lower time frames, the daily chart, we're approaching a weekly inside a monthly, a weekly zone inside a monthly zone, and we're starting to get a signal that is the one I use most with, is the divergence signal. So we could get another final pop up and then a huge move down, which is what I'm liking. We've got this huge sideways movement here in the market, approaching this weekly area inside this monthly area with a daily divergence signal. We've actually had 3 over the past few weeks. We actually got another one last week, so that's really indicating to me that momentum is drying up, and we are likely to see large players start entering the market in this pair to push it down very soon. And again, this is just what I'm reading. The market could push up a little bit further next week, and where I'm looking to sell this is, so we'll just get the text up here. I'm looking to sell this, so it's sell AUD at 0.95. Okay, stop loss is going to be a stop loss. This can turn into a really nice long-term trade. 0.962, and take profit if you want to hold this long-term will be around 190. Okay, how I use my signals is I will reanalyze a lot of signals towards the end of the week. If I leave them open, I will hold them for long term. Otherwise, I start fresh every week with new trade ideas. Okay, but a lot of people that use my signals take my trades are long-term traders, and will actually use these signals for long-term plays. Okay, take profit will be at 0.90. Okay, so that's trade this week. AUD CAD, it's a sell, and we'll just go over the reasons why again here. Okay, so we're approaching this monthly area here. So around the one, in between 0.95. Okay, it's untested. It's from last year on the monthly charts. So we are going to get some reaction here, and markets start. You can see the initial move up here. It's a huge rally, but you can start to see price action slowing down. And the more we zoom into the lower time frames, you can see it quite clearly here. The market's starting to move sideways. We're getting divergence signals right at the monthly area here. So what normally does happen is we'll get another final pop up and then a move down. Okay, so you can see the nice rising wedge here too. It's telling us momentum is starting to slow down. probably see one of these patterns here a lot. You might see a false breakout of this wedge, and then it moved down, which is what I'm liking it to play out as. So next week I'll look to sell this at 0.95, or if I get a divergence signal, either on a 4-hour, 1 hour, or 4-hour daily. Okay, so a 1 hour chart, a 4-hour chart, or a daily chart gives me a divergence signal next week. I will enter the trade manually. If not, I will take the trade at the pending order at 0.95. Okay, and if you want to download this MACD divergence indicator, in the description area there will be a link where you can actually download that indicator. So as always, trade at your own risk. I'm looking forward to another great week. We've got something like 22 setups. The 2 free trades I gave you last week are going nicely. Should have made around 60 pips on the Aussie USD, and gold is starting to drop nicely too from the 1800 area. Okay, so if you want to join the full service, you can simply hit the ready to start, click here now button. If you have any questions, let me know at will@fxace.com, and I shall see you on the next video. Have a great week. Will over to fxace.com.